Hey, g'day guys, Rod here again. In today's video, what I'd like to do is take you on a journey up into the mountains in a rainforest in far north Queensland. It's a little bit cooler up there, and we're going to meet one of my most recent clients, Dave, and we're going to see how he's using timber, plywood and rubberized liner to build quite a large semi-commercial system so that he can sell his produce from his backyard into his neighborhood and at the community markets. So let's go and meet Dave. I've got Dave with me here. Dave, what are you trying to achieve in the background here?
Well, this has been going on since September. So what I was trying to achieve was some self-sufficiency with vegetables. But because of where we live here in this rainforest, we get a lot of animals and pests and things that like your veg. So I thought I'd start with the green room, as we call it. And then I started reading about aquaponics, and I became quite interested in being able to also grow some fish.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's just go and have a look and see where we're up to.
Come on in.
It's only partially built at the moment. We've got a lot of work to do. So, Dave, could you tell us just a quick summary of where you're up to in here?
Okay, well, we've done all the main builds. So as you can see, we've got our grow beds here and some floating raft beds at the back. There's been a lot of chopping and changing as I've been going through, and obviously since I met Rod here, he's been able to point me in the right direction. All right, so how we have it set up is we have a fish tank down here, 5,000 litres, and we use a pump to pump the water up here into our header tank, which then goes through to our IBC tank, which we have here outside, which is going to act as a radial filter. So that's going to get rid of most of the solids from the fish. Now we go underground, and we've got all our pipes here that are leading into our water inlets to be continued with these. So we're all in progress as we go. And these then spread around the greenhouse and then end up down in the drainage.
So from the header tank, we'll go straight into this. We'll use this IBC. That'll become our radial filter, and then it will flow out from there, and it will go right down through the greenhouse, and it follows all of that network of pipes. And basically what we're doing is following this plan, essentially. So we've drawn up a plan, and we're just enacting that plan. All right, so there's 3 wicking beds which will be situated on the outside, and then according to the plan we've got 6 gravel beds and 2 floating raft beds. Now all of that then flows all the way into the fish pond below, which has been built at ground level. We've done that so that we can reduce the temperature. That'll keep the fish at an even temperature, keep them alive. All the pipes are going to be buried as well, and we're just coming straight up into the tank as well. So we've still got a lot to do. There's still a huge amount of work to be done, but as you can see, David's made huge progress here, and it's a fantastic looking system. One of the biggest in Cairns, I would think, right about now. There is a huge network of pipes. Some are going straight to the fish tank, and all the other pipes are going up into the beds. Still got a lot of work to do, but we've made huge progress.
Okay, so when I got in touch with Rod, this fish tank was over here, and I had a little sump in there. But when Rod did our new plans for us, we were able to put the fish tank in here and use it also as a sump, and then we were able to add more grow beds. So in effect, because of Rod's plans, I was able to double the growing space in this building here. So pretty pleased with that.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching, and I'd like to know what you thought of this video, so feel free to write in the chat box below. And if you're new to this channel and you'd like to know more, then hit that subscribe button, and if you wouldn't mind, give me a good old thumbs up so I know I'm on the right track. And just to also let you know too that I do have a private Facebook group and I go in there live every week and I answer questions from the chat as well. So feel free to join that as well, and I'll put it in the comment section below.